Now we're done with specific general prep. We're going to move to specific prep. And in specific prep, we kind of change the way we approach our work capacity, our specific work capacity, our endurance type work. What we will start to do is we will start to lighter down a lot more. So what you saw early on is a lot of the work we were doing, 5 times 250, 6 times 200, 8 times 150. A lot of the runs were the same from one to the next. In specific prep onward, we'll tend to lighter down a lot.
The other thing is that you got to remember that competition is super, super high intensity. It's super practice. And so if we just had a meet, let's say Saturday, and they did 3 events or 4 events, what are the chances that on Monday they're going to be really ready to go? Like really ready to go, to real advanced stuff. So a lot of times if we had a tough meet, if you did one event, maybe it might be good to go on Monday. But if we did a lot of events and we really loaded up, then on this Monday, this is probably going to be recovery of some type. And then we might get back to work. And so we want to make sure we're doing things to set this up.